What would I like to change, if anything, and why? I don't think I would like to change anything about my life because I'm still young, I'm energetic, I'm I do exercise, I'm disciplined, and I'm motivated. What is going on in my life that would facilitate behavior change? I believe that I am a disciplined person. I'm a mentally strong person as well. I do anything by being disciplined. I complete things. I do stressful things. I do hard things by being a disciplined person and being mentally strong person. And I think it helps me every time. See where I am now in my physical activity level. I think I'm doing good because on a daily basis I do 300 push-ups a day every morning after I wake up. After I get out of bed, I do 300 push-ups. I believe that I am better than most of people because they can even do 50 push-ups. So at my physical activity level, I think I'm doing good. D. Have I tried regular exercise before and failed to stick with it? Yeah, before I was doing push-ups regularly. I do stretching every morning and training my abs, but I believe that it's not for me. I believe that I'm more than that. I believe that I can achieve more than that. That's why I try to do push-ups and it helps me. E. Currently, what do I estimate my potential to stick with an exercise program to be? My unmatched perspicacity, coupled with sheer indefatigability, makes me a feared opponent in the realm of human endeavor. My potential is infinite. I believe in myself. I am a motivated, disciplined person. I do things which are difficult, and my discipline helps me every time. And being a disciplined person is, as a man, is very important because being a disciplined person, you surpass your limits, and if you believe in yourself, you chase your dreams, and you try your best. I believe that your potential can be infinite. Letter F. What unmet personal needs am I thinking of attempting to be? I've always thinking about a resilient body, a resilient mind, and I'm already on my way there because on a daily basis I do 300 push-ups, right? People say a strong body is a strong mind. I believe that because as you're doing push-ups, as you're lifting weights, as you're training, as you're exercising, you're disciplining your mind to do things that you don't want to do, but you know you have to do it because it's the right thing to do. So I am a resilient human being, but I also want to be as more as resilient as possible. Letter G. What is it about my body and mind that I am unhappy with that could be positively affected by exercising regularly? I don't think there's any because I do push-ups regularly. I do 300 push-ups regularly. And once I do 300 push-ups, I feel happy. I feel satisfied by knowing that I did 300 push-ups and most people can do even 50 push-ups. So it makes me happy. It feels like achievement. And by exercising regularly, as times go by, you become more resilient, your mind becomes stronger, your body becomes stronger, you'll be more happy, you'll be more motivated, and it's just a matter of time. By using a specific methodology and approach of observation to end up in a specific state of mind where have you all have the necessary tools and ingredients to achieve any of your goals. And that starts from exercising regularly because I am a exerciser. I know where I am going, I know who I am going to be, and I know who I am.